IntelliJ IDEA is the top Java development environment. Thanks to our WebStorm IDE, it also bundles first-class web development features, tapping into the same IDE UI and facilities you're already using. Let's take a look at web development using IntelliJ IDEA. All of our JetBrains IDEs have professional-grade support for web standards. For example, HTML autocomplete, reformatting, and refactoring. CSS autocomplete, as well as navigation. JavaScript and TypeScript projects. JSON error detection and JSON schema autocomplete. Popular web frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue. We'll begin by using the IDE to create a new project. Our IDEs make it easy to start web projects by integrating with the generator for popular frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue. For example, quickly make a React project using Create React App with support for TypeScript. The IDE uses the underlying generator to make the code in a new project. After the scaffold completes, the IDE opens your React project in a new window. Once in a project, the IDE integrates with popular JavaScript code tools. For example, open a project's package.json file and run a configured script. Linters help format code with several supported. ESLint is detected automatically. Other code tools such as Prettier, Stylint, Grunt, Gulp, and more are supported as well. Our tools are well known for rich, mature autocomplete, and that applies in web development as well. First, add a div with framework-specific attributes and values. React uses class name for attributes, and the IDE does as well. Autocomplete on in-scope variables. CSS autocomplete works too. Attributes, values such as colors, and even class names defined in your project. We all make mistakes. We even make mistakes when correcting our mistakes. Let your IDE do the cleanup. Forgot to import something? Use our quick fixes to generate it for you. Reformat code is an invaluable lifesaver. Missed a semicolon or used the wrong quotes? Correct each with a quick fix. Web projects have become large, especially dependencies. We index all of that, making navigation a breeze. Sitting on a JavaScript symbol? Quickly jump to the declaration. Gone too far in navigation? Navigate back follows the path you took, and navigate forward resumes. For JSX, you can easily jump to a symbol in JavaScript or TypeScript. Our IDEs are famous for refactoring support, and that applies to web development as well. Rename a file, and all of its usages and imports are renamed automatically. Change your mind? Undo puts it all back. Rename a function, and all the imports and usages change as well. Modern JS means lots of object destructuring. Let the IDE do this for you. Our code intention to rename or remove opening and closing tags helps. Want to reformat code? The IDE can extract expressions to variables, fields, and more, helping you stay in the flow. React coding means lots of small components. Let the IDE do the extraction for you. Then, let the IDE move the code to a new file and leave behind an import. React and TypeScript means interfaces. Let the IDE extract and generate the interface for you. The visual debuggers in our IDEs have long been a favorite. This applies to web development as well. Debugging in Chrome is easy. First, create a JavaScript debug run configuration pointing at the local development URL. Set a breakpoint where you'd like to suspend execution. When running under debug, now open the URL in Chrome. The IDE uses the Chrome debugging protocol to connect its tools to Chrome's JavaScript engine. This works in Node.js as well. Set a breakpoint and run some JavaScript, and execution stops on that line. The visual test runners in our IDEs are a hit, and the same ideas apply to JavaScript testing. For example, we have some code and the test for that code. Make a run configuration of type jest and configure it with some watch options to speed up rerunning of tests. Running the test is now simple. It's fast to correct the test failure and let the test rerun. Running a single test or all tests in a file is also simple. Debugging during testing is powerful. Set a breakpoint, run your test under the debugger, and execution stops on that line. IntelliJ IDEA is the best-in-class Java IDE, but it also includes a best-in-class web development experience, using all the keys, concepts, and tools you're already familiar with. Have fun with web development using IntelliJ, and thanks for watching this video.